Hey guys, I hope you're well. I wanted to show you something. My schedule that I showed you guys, the schedule that I published, it's deeply flawed. See, it's 9:25 a.m. And again, 10 meters was dead, 15 was dead, and I'm on 20 meters, and as you can see, it's not dead. Hang on, let me scroll down that page. One moment. Once again, I got a couple VE6s and the KA7. Look at the signal strength on the KA7. Oh, sorry, 21 dB. Dang, man. There's three skimmers there that are basically over 1,500 miles away. One of them's 1,200 miles away. But here's where my schedule's so flawed. I start at 9 a.m. and end at 9:30. Well, it's basically going on 9:30 right now. Look at the Terminator. It's still dark out west. I'm surprised that 3 of those skimmers detected me at night. The West Coast, it's nighttime there, man. We're a big country. My schedule's flawed. 9 a.m. is too early to start this thing. I'm going to have to change it. And I hate to do that, man, but I'm thinking now, noon. Yup. If 10 meters is going to open at all, it's going to be open by noon. And my lead block's back on McPaddles. When I'm running 100 milliwatts, I do get kind of nervous. I'm a novice for life, man. So I'm changing the schedule to noon. To noon. Okay. I hope you're well. I hope you'll try to work me. Great way to find me is to use the RBN system, and you'll know exactly if I'm on and exactly what frequency. And look at that. 100 freaking milliwatts. Look at that. That's amazing. That's amazing. Well, guys, I suppose I ought to have more radio fun. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.